Welcome to this tutorial on how to backtest on Webull. Backtesting is a crucial step in evaluating the performance of a trading strategy, and Webull provides a powerful tool to do so. To start, log into your Webull account and navigate to the paper trading section. This is where you will be able to backtest your strategies without risking real money. First, you need to create a new paper trading account or use an existing one. Once you are in the paper trading section, click on the Backtest button. This will take you to the backtesting platform where you can select the strategy you want to test. You can choose from a variety of predefined strategies or create your own using Webull's programming language. Next, select the symbols you want to test your strategy on. You can choose individual stocks, ETFs, or indices. You also need to set the time period for the backtest. This can range from a few days to several years. The longer the time period, the more accurate the results will be. After setting the parameters, click on the Run button to start the backtest. Webull's algorithm will then simulate the trades based on your strategy and provide you with the results. The results will include key metrics such as profit and loss, win rate, and maximum drawdown. When interpreting the results, pay attention to the profit and loss curve. A smooth and consistent curve indicates a stable strategy, while a curve with large fluctuations may indicate a high-risk strategy. Also, look at the win rate and maximum drawdown. A high win rate and low maximum drawdown are generally desirable. It is also important to note that backtesting is not a guarantee of future results. Many factors can affect the performance of a strategy in live markets, such as liquidity and market volatility. Therefore, it is essential to use backtesting as one of the tools in your trading arsenal, but not the only one. In conclusion, backtesting on Webull is a straightforward process that can help you evaluate the performance of your trading strategies. By following these steps and using the backtesting tool effectively, you can refine your strategies and become a more successful trader. Remember to always use backtesting in conjunction with other forms of analysis and to stay up to date with market conditions.